Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in with 1Password. So this assumes that you already have 1Password, you've set it up, and you already have the login information already set up. So let's start by opening our browser window. And let's say I need to buy something from Dollar Shave Club. So for these websites, you end up going to the login page. Now from here, you have to enter your master password. And then I find the entry for it. So here's one way I can do it. I can copy the email and password. I'll copy the password here. And then I'll just type in this one. And you enter the password that was you copied from 1Password, and you just log in. So the nice thing is I don't even know what the password was. It's a long password that I already set up, a long password for security purposes. But I want to show you one thing. I'm going to log out, and let's do that again. And I'm going to show you a slightly different way. So let's say we were just at Google. So I can search here in 1Password. I'm going to type $, and it finds it, and I'm just going to hit enter. And 1Password automatically pulls up the web page and automatically pasted in my email address and password. Sometimes that doesn't work, but in general, that's how I try it. If it doesn't work, then I'll manually copy and paste the passwords from here. By hovering over it, you get this window, and then you can copy either one. So either way works, and that's how it's done.